guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. Finally releasing the Hobo Weeks kits just in time for the Ultimate Planner sale. So I have got 10 designs here that will be available. They're actually already up on the website. If you like to preload your cart for sales, they are there now. I am still adjusting some of the other stock in the shop, but I don't believe I'll be adding in anything that isn't already there. Everything is going to be unlimited except for sale items, like the manufactured clear foil items. There's probably a couple of other things that I'm not thinking of, but as far as like these kits will be unlimited. Our new doodle icons and scripts, those will be unlimited. I do need to change out the paper types though, but we will be offering 30% off during the sale. I'm also gonna link Ultimate Planner Sales Instagram, Facebook group, and website down below so that you guys can check out all of the other participating shops. I have got, I can't talk, freebies that are specific for this sale that are tiered. I'm gonna go over those. And then I've also got freebie like sampler packs for the first 30 orders that were like swaps with other shops. These are huge. I'm gonna go through that as well, but I wanna get started with the Hobo Weeks kits. So, like I said, I've got 10 different designs and I'm actually gonna start on one where it's gonna be a little bit easier to see. So I did a plan with me using this kit last night. So this is the, I believe it's just called blue-gray gradient or gray-blue gradient. So in these kits, what you're gonna get are the checklist up top. So these are just circles. There are some of these little swooshy dividers. You've got a to-do, a row of icons down here. You do have your date covers. This is one large strip. You've got your bottom washi here, some dividing washi. All of these are boxes, and then you've got these larger boxes which actually fit. One second, let me go grab this planner so I can show you guys. Okay guys, so here's the planner if you didn't watch that plan with me. So the bottom washi, you've got the strips. These are these larger boxes, although I actually made them to go into this section. I wanted to try it out over here. Maybe I've got, yeah, so on this one I've got them going down that section. You've got your checklist, your date covers, your other boxes and icons and everything like that. Just so that you can kind of see how I did this. So yeah, that is the layout for these kits. I got a lot of requests and I did update these to fit. Everybody said there were too many boxes, so I went ahead and did the icons. A lot of people wanted strips, as well as some other things, but I wanted these to be one sheet. I think that's the only way that we can get these out every single week with new collections, is if it's not like more than one additional sheet that we're adding on. These are available on glossy only, and these are $3.75 a sheet. They are the size of the planner. So that is the first one that we have, the gray-blue gradient. The next one is called Pink Splash. Oh, I should have mentioned, this has silver foil. The next one is called Pink Splash. This one has gold foil. And I've got the light turned off, so I'm hoping that these are picking up okay. The next one is called Bianca. This one has rose gold foiling. Next is rose gold marble, and this one also has the rose gold foiling. Next is surf, and this one has silver. Next is orange blossom, and this one has gold foil. I love this one so much. Next is marble floral or floral marble. I'd have to look. I didn't know exactly what to call these since a lot of them, well actually all of them, are coming from different kits. Bianca, I called Bianca, that came from that kit obviously, but I believe that this one also was from that kit, so I didn't really know. I'm just kind of making names up as I go. Once I start releasing these with the collections, I will just call them, I think, what the collection was called. But I didn't want to, like, I don't know, confuse anybody by doing that with these, like, because this was February Mystery from this past year, I believe. So yeah, this one is silver foil. The next one is Celestial. This one is hollow. Love this one. Next, this one is candy. So this was part of the candy collection. But again, I feel like that's slightly confusing because there is no candy on here. But anyway, this one is gold foil. And then the last one that I've got here is, I believe I just called this Gray Clouds. So this is actually a background from the April mystery kit. And then this one has the hollow foil as well. So yeah, 10 of those for tomorrow. And then like I said, I'm gonna try to release these every single week. I don't think it's gonna be an issue. So yeah, that is the Hobo Weeks kits. I hope you guys love them. Okay, so for the sale, I've already mentioned we're doing 30% off. And then I've got tiered freebies here. So this is the freebie that will be in all orders. These are all gonna have silver foiling. I'm gonna keep them all silver. And they have a marble background, these two. And I wanted to do something that would kind of be able to be incorporated into a lot of different spreads. I didn't want anything that was like, I don't know, some of these backgrounds, you know, where you'd have to match up colors. I think marble goes really nicely with a lot. So this is the freebie that will be going in every order. If we can get to focus here. Hello, there we go. Okay, so we've got a bow, an asterisk, a heart, alarm clock, computer, television, car, 3 heart checklist, a couple of scalloped banners, me time, work, a swooshy, and then a flag cutout. We actually have freebies like this in the shop sometimes. It just depends on if I've had time to like cut a bunch of them that have a whole bunch of different backgrounds. So if you've seen one similar to this before, we have had these before. But this particular background will be for the UPS sale. The next one that we have is the 50 and up freebie. So if you spent $50 after the coupon, but before shipping cost, you would get both of these. So for the 50 plus freebie, you've got some scripts, me time to do today, and work. You have 2 scalloped banners, a bow box, a full row of bow headers, and then an appointment label right here. Same background, so it is the marble. And then we have one for 75 and up. And this is actually the same as like our functional, one of our functional sheets for mystery kits. And this just has the neutral color palette. So you've got like a darker gray, lighter pink, and then a black. So I thought that went nicely with all of this. And for this one, you are getting 4 flags. And then this is a full size sheet. So you're getting 2 rows of hearts and then 3 rows of bows. So this is $75 after coupons, but before shipping. And if you, these are all stackable. So like if you spent $75, you'd get this one, and this one. For $50, you'd get both of these. So I think that that makes sense. But yeah, so those are our freebies for this weekend. And then for the first 30 orders, I do have freebie packs. So I want to start by saying that every freebie pack is not going to be the same. Some are going to have less, some are going to have more. I did not get the same amount of freebies from everyone. So what I'm about to show may not necessarily be what you would receive. Majority are this one, and then I would say 10 have less. And I can't even sit here and do like which specific sheets are less. It's not much less. It's, I think 2 things are missing. I do know that these bow clips are only in like the first 20 bags. But anyway, so these are gonna go into the first 30 orders. The sale starts at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I've done this kind of like first however many orders a couple of times during an Ultimate Planner sale. And I will say that these are generally gone within the first 5 minutes. So if this is something that you are looking to pick up, I would definitely suggest having your cart preloaded and then right at 9 a.m. Enter that coupon and check out, because these will be gone really quickly. But I do like to go through and show you guys the shops that have swapped with me. I can't talk. So I am gonna zoom you guys in just a bit because this is gonna be much smaller. Okay guys, so the first thing that I've got here is from, I hope I'm saying this right, Kubo and Lucy. I think I'm saying that right. So I've got some paper clips here. This one has a flower. It's another thing I wanna say. The samplers that I'm about to show, a shop may have sent a different sampler that would be in that bag. I feel like I always have to like really go through that. So it's possible that if you were to get one of these paper clips, it would not have this flower. Same way with all of these others, it might be a different foil color, a different background, a totally different sampler. A lot of the times shops don't send the exact same sampler that many times. I don't, I like to switch it up. Anyway, so this is from Kubo and Lucy, super cute paper clip with a little floral charm. The next sampler that I've got here is from Cricut Paper Co. Super cute. You have got some like doodle icons, this really cute scallop, and then a couple of boxes. And I've got to watch myself because I just checked. That one did not have a coupon code, but I've got to cover coupon codes on these. So if you see me like hiding part of the freebie, that's what it is. The next one that I've got here is from Made with Southern Love. I think this one is absolutely adorable. I love this vet visit. Can't stop shopping, think positive, allergic to mornings. The washi is super cute. This little girl is super cute. Next is from Sticker Bloom. And like, this is one that I know for sure, like most of these are different. And it's just different foil color, different backgrounds, but super cute. So you've got these two clouds. You have got a bunch of doodle icons at the bottom, a couple of boxes, super, super cute. So that is from Sticker Bloom. Next, and I'm gonna have to cover part of this one. This one is from Joyful Planner. So you have got some numbers. They actually look like birthday cake candles, which is really cute. And then you've got a little birthday, a couple of pandas, a laundry tracker. Ooh, I like that. A crown, a trash can, a Bible verse over here on the left. So that is from Joyful Planner. Next is from C&L Crafts. And this is another one that I know for sure there were different like foil colors and whatnot. So this one is super cute. I like, it's like a shattered glass, multicolored almost foil. It is really pretty. So you've got Planner Life, Happy Mail, Target Run, Nope Not Today, some credit cards, Amazon, a little divider, as well as a sticky note. Super cute. So that is C&L Crafts. Also, all of these shops will be participating in the sale. I don't know if I said that or not. Next is from Sticker Monster Co. Super cute. I love these scripts. So you've got plan next week, priorities, fold laundry, workout, washi Wednesday, it's the weekend, and then some icons. That is really cute. Next is from NicoleAlexiaDesigns, and I really like this one. I think the colors are really pretty. So you've got day off, goals, organize this. I love this flat lay. You got a movie marquee and then just some icons. Really, really cute. Next is from Simply Me Kish. This is actually one of the very first planner shops that I bought from like 4 years ago. One of the very first shops that I bought from was Kish's shop. Anyway, she has some really, really adorable artwork. So you've got a full box here. Suns out, buns out. That's really cute. You've got just lots of little deco here. And then I love this little t-shirt box. That is just so cute. So that's Simply Me Kish. The next shop that I've got here is Little Paper Prints. This is a shop that I really, really love her kits. I used to buy them all the time. I've tried to cut back on buying a bunch of planner supplies, but if you are looking for really great kits, check out Little Paper Prints. Cute sampler, UPS order shipped, planner friends make the best friends, Happy Mail Day, and then some really cute deco. Next is Pretty and Primco. Super, super cute. I love that little ice cream cone that has the bunny ears. You got a cupcake, some cherries, really cute. Next is XO Mama Plans. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to make sure I'm not showing codes. So this is super cute as well. I really like her shop. She has, I like her paper. I don't even know what to call it. It's not vinyl. It's like a premium matte, but I really like her paper. So we've got buy all the stickers, Amazon, a little Target icon, a bow divider, this little sticky note, Disney balloons, credit card, just super cute. She has some really adorable functional sheets in her shop. I like them a lot. I also like to watch her plan with me's. So that is XO Mama Plans. Next is Plan with Anna. This one again has a code, so I'm trying to cover that. So you've got some really cute deco. You've got some asterisks here, a TV little thing, a half box, and then kind of like a scalloped quarter box. Next is from Fabulously Planned, and I really like this. I think this is adorable. So you've got some washi tape, sunglasses, this cute anchor, an appointment label, bill due, a half box, a bow divider, some more deco up top, and then this really cute full box. I like that so much. I think that's really pretty. Next is from Peanut Butter Taco. So we've got some boxes over here to the left, a clipboard, and then some really cute little icons slash deco over to the right. Next is, I feel like I need to stop and take a breath. I'm trying to get through these and make this video not a million years long because I also need to do this on Facebook as well as on Instagram. So I'm kind of just like breezing on through them, but goodness. Okay, anyway, so next is from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. Super pretty and floral. So you've got to-do work, this really pretty floral deco, some bows, some icons, and then some boxes. Next is from, let me cover this code. I don't know if this is SLO planning or I don't think it's slow planning. I'm not sure. Either way, super pretty. I'm not sure if she draws her own artwork, but I love this. And this is actually a full box. So this is a really cute, just like planner cabinet, adorable. You've got some deco over here. I really like the laundry sticker right there. Next is from Planner-esque, and again, I've got to cover a code here. So you've got some 3-heart checklist. This Let's Bake sticker is super cute. Some really, really cute icons in deco. And then, sorry, I might be holding that weird. You have got some scalloped banners down at the bottom. Next is from It's Planning Time. This one has a code as well that I'm gonna cover. So you've got some flags, you've got some scripts to do, to go, super cute. And then the last one that I've got here is from Creativity and Ink. This is a foiled freebie, and as you can see, this is essentially like a full-sized sheet. This is about the size of like our confetti header overlays or any of our overlays. So you have got, I don't want to pull these up. Okay, so you've got some heart icons, bow icons, some scripts, and then I'm trying to see through this paper. I believe that these are boxes, and then a full box overlay it looks like, and then some header overlays. So that is from Creativity and Ink. So that is a look into the sampler bags. Again, yours may not have the same things. It may not have as many things because I did not get as many of everything. But for the most part, that's what they're looking like. Like I said, they're pretty decently sized sampler bags. I normally don't have quite that many. But yeah, so the Ultimate Planner Sale starts at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow morning. All of the information is in my Facebook group, my Instagram, and then like I said, I will link the Ultimate Planner Sales info down below so that you guys can make sure that you can check out all of the other shops that are participating. There are so many amazing shops this round. But yeah, so I hope you guys love this week's new releases. I hope you guys have so much fun shopping during the sale, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.